Hi, welcome to Balayage by Jack Howard. As with all balayage techniques, the placement is dictated by the haircut. So what you want to do is you want to look at the haircut first of all before you plan your journey. And then what we want to think about is here. So I'm still going to use my tail comb, and this is probably the last time you're going to see it. Keeping that tension nice and tight. What you can see is that there's no product underneath. What you're looking for in the sectioning patterns and how you work it is a general feeling. So by sectioning this way into a deeper V, instead of going straight across, what you're actually doing is you're putting less product on, but you're building the contrast, because balayage is all about contrast, okay? You can see where that section falls, so all we need to do is take that out. We've got enough there, make sure it's a V. Great. And we're just going to load. So I'm having a quick peek on my other side, because what I do want is I want some symmetry with how far up the colour's going, because if this side is high and then this side is low, it's going to look crazy, okay? So it's going to look disproportionate. So you do want to have some balance. And the great thing about the Pro Care Balayage Cling is it's flexible enough to move around and then place back onto your hair.